What's up? I am back with another tutorial, and I would just like to say, if you like this video, please like and subscribe if you want some more tutorials. Also comment who you think that I should be doing next. This one's just a general tutorial about how to do eyebrows and eyes. You just take your basic pointy brush that you start off with and you get it down to the smallest one, and you start picking up color and adding it in and doing the strokes as you would the hair if you do the hair the same way, but you want to make sure that it's the direction of the eyebrow so that way it looks as realistic as possible. And then after this, I go under with a darker color and I color underneath it to make sure there's no white bald spots. Now I'm just starting with the eyeliner and eyelashes. Because this is Adobe Draw, I can just go and fill in everything and just lay my finger down and it'll fill in automatically. With the eyelashes, you want to make sure that you do delicate strokes as small as possible. There was going to be music in the background of this, but people mostly wanted voiceovers. I did a poll on Instagram. Everybody wanted that one, so this is what we're doing. So now you're going to go from your pointy brush to your round brush, and you're going to create a layer under everything and just start picking up a color, adding it in, make that brush nice and big. You want to do that, and then you want to do it in the direction of the skin, and when we're done with this, we will transfer it to Adobe Sketch. So now I'm just saving each individual layer to my photo album, and I want to make sure that the background is literally like that. And I save it to my camera roll, and then I transfer it over to Adobe Sketch, which is what I'm on now. I don't know, but I change the opacity to really thin, and I just keep doing this until I start getting everything nice and smooth. And I just do this with the entire skin in the direction of it. And this is basically what you do until you finish everything. And then I saved this, and then I transferred it to Sketchbook Pro. I did that, and I added freckles and the glitter that was on her eyes, and in the end you'll see how it came out. We are just finishing up. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Comment who you think I should do below. All my social media and everything else is below. This is the finished product. I duplicated it and put it on both sides. Bye.